Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can export video from CapCut to your gallery. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply open up your CapCut application. And then inside here, open the project you have finished editing. Now, in the top right corner, you can go ahead and simply tap on this export icon. It looks like upward arrow. Here you can set your export quality, for example, 1080p, 2K, 4K, and frame rate. Adjust it depending on how clear you want the video and how much storage you have. After that, you can go ahead and tap on export, and once it finishes processing, CapCut will automatically save the video to your phone's Photos or Gallery app. You'll also see an option to share it directly to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. That's it. That is how you can export a finished video from CapCut directly to your phone's gallery. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.